एक सिंगल भी मैच हुआ तो एंट्री लेके रख दो. यस, cause why? Because normally all people are using indicators. Okay, in this case, this is there is an indicator which is giving you just situations of all indicators mixture version. Okay, so if it's red, take an entry immediately and go for your 6 rupees only, not more than it. Hello. Pivot on the right hand side there is some pivot points on the right hand side. You can see 0%, 23% on the right hand side, 38%, 50%, 60%, 62%. Yes, all this is pivots. Okay, but that is just number if you are into trading. Okay, right now. Okay, so that is just indicate you that you can sell from this numbers below 699. Okay, and if you really want to buy right now, okay, in the market, so you can just buy from this point 694. Again it is coming on 694. That time if you are taking entry, okay, that time just this Bollinger Band or RSI, only one those indicators if match, take an entry immediately. Do not wait for that if is there any like pop-up will arise or something. There is not that kind of thing is happen into the system. Okay, this is like some analysis of buy sell signal softwares. I will no, there is no pop-up, sir. Then there is no scanner. Why? I think so. You have seen this kind of softwares, I think, before, like this kind of buy sell signal softwares. Okay, this is available in the market of for some extra price or something. Okay, so you can that is also indicators which combines, but it is giving you entry point. And it is also, you can see it is also giving a sell below 693 around this buy sell and this buy sell, and all these buy sells are normally all these are the same. Okay, if you watch it very properly, all these are giving you just the same number points, and this system is normally usable for day traders normally. Okay, if you are like very occasional trader, like you are just doing a trading once in a week, okay, then maybe okay, then that is very helpful, cause I think because this buy sell signal is available. I will show you again. This is re-entry points. Okay, like people is just buying from their own countries, they are taking it, but into all these things, any normal trader or any person will just confused about it, that where from this signals is coming. Okay, he will earn some from the signals. That is not that signals is not accurate that much. That is giving you 95% accuracy, and that is true. All these buy sell signals is giving you 95% accuracy as per their indications. But when this kind of calls or when this kind of candles comes into the live market, if you are right now exit on a 9:15 am or right now you are 10:30 am, okay, that time this kind of indication is just lagging. Sometimes they are just come and just gone after some time, or sometimes it is happen that you are just taken in after on next candle you will book your stop loss immediately. Yes, so this is happens with this kind of system. Like this, you can see there is so many buy sell and buy sell come arise. Yes, and into this system also the same things happen, but that is giving you already entry point from these points. You can take immediately entry on these points, or if you really don't look this call or you didn't take this entry, then you can just wait for some time. After again it will touch its 0%. Okay, most of the times after 10:30 this strategy work very fine. Normally in the gap up or gap in something like sometimes every person will lose. Yes, red, right? Do not take a buy. Do not buy directly. Do not buy. Okay, why? Cause continuously, if you just think about it, if market is also arise from the market, it is already 100 or like 50 points arise, then why it is again arise 50 points? Of course it is just coming down from the market. So this is not like you can just earn from buy only. We are just focusing normally every people after our buying, we are just giving them, you can just consider on sell calls most of the times, cause market is just arise for some times and again it will come down. So wait for come down, not for continuously buying. Because like every trader doing one thing, it is just think about that if I buy I will earn. If I buy, I will earn. But that is not that thing. You can take a calls from short sell as well. Okay. Yes, and this is a normal software, and if you want to like find a buy sell signal, that one also we are giving it to you. Okay, that yes, as in like free with our service, because that is also available for, that is giving you pop-up. Yes, normally any person is fine, like I will just see the arrow and I will take a call. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes, so that purpose. Oh, but sorry, we are not giving a pop-up as per I said on the starting time. Cause if like you like want to earn from any stock, na, and if you really want like 70 or 80% accuracy, you really need to watch market continuously. Minimum 2 hours in the market. Like we are not saying like spend your 6 hours continuously. Just first 2 hours, like 10:30 to 12:30 or 10:30 to 11:30. Only that 2 or 1 hour. Into that 2 or 1 hour, it will just give you a sell points. You can just sell after once that entry point comes. Okay, cause all these indicators, just when all these indicators match on that time, buy sell signals giving you indicator. I mean, indication. After matching all those red, then it is giving you entry on this point on 694. That is giving you buy on 694. Okay, then again it is giving you sell on 696. There is all indicators already match, so you can just wait for that 696 again and take a sell from there. Do not take a buy in these situations. That is like just like it is giving you analysis of all indicators here. Right now I open HDFC. Okay, that is whole time a sideways condense, and it is giving you only sell points. Yes, and so it is giving you just normal sell from the morning. You just have to sell normally. By yesterday, like on 12th of May, there is a sell call comes after there is no call from our system. Do not take a trade into this system. Or if you really just want to trade, okay, then watch that what this indicator is saying to you first. RSI is giving you normally buy continuously buy. So maybe there is buy will come here, green. Then you can buy from here. Yes. Why? Because it is just analyze this indicators. Because already this is are using on other charts. Exit points are normally if you are trading into any stocks. Okay, 1% we can give you target. Okay, not more than it. Because that is not happening in the system, or if we really know that the stocks go on a rise 100 points, and why we are selling this thing. Normally sir 10 no, that is useful only for some intraday purpose especially. Okay, then you can buy from 885, then 8 rupees will be your target. Once it is achieved for 8 rupees, like on this candle or on this candle, like if your entries on 885, okay, after 885 will come max 905, 903. On this candle you will get exit immediately from your end. Okay, it is not giving you exit from here. If you wait for exit, sometimes it is giving you again loss on these points. So you have to just take only 1% first 1 week, or that is like if you want some more extra points, you can just use 15 minutes. If you want some extra points, like if you want to like earn 20 or 30 points in particular in stock, okay, like SGF, then you can just increase your time frame. Okay, that is depend on your trading purpose. Okay, the situation just without watching these conditions. Hello. After watching this buy, people are buying from here, and some indicators are saying, I think so. Just ADX is started for matching here. Blue is buy here. If you okay only, but all those other indicators are saying selling. So do not sell or buy. Sorry, do not buy from here and do not sell. Just wait for some time. Once this RSI and Bollinger Band is started for green on this candle, you can see. Yes, just check what is 883. Okay, around 83. If you like, if you take an entry on about 2 points from this buying, take a buy. Why? Because first every like into market, first RSI Bollinger Band and MACD Bollinger Band is started for changing in the market. And after once it is changed, all other indicators are also adopting that price action automatically after some time. Okay, then it is started for you already buy from here, from the sell candle. People are started for selling there from this candle. Okay, after watching this candle, all people are selling from there, but you are the only person in the market who's going to buy from here. And after some time you will get a like 20 or 30 points on this candle. Just take an exit after it. Do not take a trade. Okay, just exit immediately. But some people are just greedy so much. So what they are watching, they are just watching. Oh, there is again green. So I will just stable with the system. But we are just saying, just take a small trades if you are day trader. Okay. Yes, and that is just a normal system. That is only 999. Yes, we are just monthly is data feed, sir. That data feed is just mandatory for this AMI broker. This is AMI broker. Okay, that is available for free trial as well, and you can buy from their web. So you can take a real time data. Now you just have to pay 999. That is only installation and training purpose. You don't have to pay for AMI broker. Oh, data, that is two kind of, sir. First one package is for 449, which is come from AMI feed. This one. Okay, this one also is giving you good accurate data. Okay, and the second one is VB's Technologies, which is authorized data vendor. Okay, if you type on Google that AMI broker data, we will just connect. Yes. Then there is only two sites. First one is that Excel pick something, yes, for data. Okay, and if you want to buy a authorized NSE data feed, that is giving you real time perfect data and tick to tick data into your system. Like if you are watching your system, if you are watching your terminal, okay, and there is the price is right now 927. Okay, and if you really want to exit 927 into this system as well, the real time fast data system, then you can buy this Valent Technology, because they are NSE authorized data vendor. Okay, but their pricing is a little bit high, that is 590 rupees for equity only. Okay, yes, you can just visit on their website, you will get all those details. Okay, and I will send you as well. Yes, and this is just analysis. Okay, then no like analysis pop-up and scanner is available. You just have to stick with your system, and you just have to plot all those chart. I mean the stocks with your system, like ACC, Dr. Recently I plotted on system. That is just a sheet, sir. Yes. Okay, like that is made by so.